This is my promise. After watching this video, your concept will be very clear how to make a heart. Please watch carefully. This is my promise. Don't skip the video. Please watch carefully, and after today you will see in any angle you can create beautiful heart. So I use little bit orange and brown umber on the top of the roof. Please make sure try to make it as simple as you can. Don't go for high detailing. So make that part darker because this is opposite to light, and some bamboo sticks are there. 1 2 3, that's it. Some stick I will add here also. Try to make it simple. The concept is how to create simple transparent watercolor. Look, the rooftop is very simple, there is no detail, and the back side also. Now the main interesting part, I am going to add little bit shadow on the wall for the back side of the roof, and the same color I am using here in the front wall because this is opposite of the light. This is not the end. Please watch carefully. Please watch carefully. Now what I am going to do, I am going to add little more dark underneath of the roof. Okay, where just here is a door, and the same color I am going to use on underneath of the roof. Okay, clear? You can see slowly I will add little bit dark for the window, and also the same color which I added for the window I am going to add the same color. Please listen carefully, this is very important. Same color I am going to add inside of the door. You can see now easily I created a depth inside of the room. You can see the depth of the wall. Just focus in the door. Now it's almost done. Some little scratches for little detail, that much is okay, and maybe some grasses. I'm going to use little bit green, very little touch. This is the intention of this video, to make people understood how to make simple and transparent beautiful watercolor. This is my motive. So you guys can see, I know after watching this video so many of my friends, followers, they will try this at their home. This is my belief. If you like the video, please share it to all of your friends who love watercolor. Remember, this is the easiest and simplest way to make watercolor. Don't go for detailing. Some people will think that it's done, I will skip the video. No, whatever I am saying here, this is much more important than the painting. Please listen carefully. Here I never rub anywhere. Now if you really want, you can add little transparent greeny background, and your heart will pop up very clearly. Okay, that much is fine for watercolor. I need the light, I need the shadow in proper exact place. That is, thank you so much.